Digital finance app Freo has secured the corporate agent license from India's Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, and this is going to allow Freo to offer its 25 million registered users a range of curated insurance products, of course, in partnership with insurance providers. That product will encompass, tailored plans for women's health, protection against prevalent illnesses and job losses, among others. So let me welcome Kunal Verma, the CEO and co-founder of Freo, for more on this. Kunal, congratulations on receiving this corporate agent license. How will this new license enhance your ability to provide insurance solutions to your 25 million registered users and the strategic significance of entering this new business segment?
Sure. Thank you for having me. I think this is an exciting phase for us. The most important part is that we've seen insurance as a highly underpenetrated offering in India, right? Less than 10% of the population in a lot of developed economies have access to insurance. In India, that number is under 5%. So we are, lagging behind as far as products are concerned. And most importantly, for every person, insurance ends up being a complex and fairly unnecessary product most of the time. It's mostly seen as a mandatory thing for motor insurance or coverage, or necessary for a health or a life coverage. And most people are unaware in terms of the need for the product, and they find the products complex to understand. There's a lot of mis-selling. So I think whether you look at it from an overall need for India or grounds up at the customer level, we see a massive need for people to look at the space with a fresh pair of eyes to solve the problems of mis-selling, affordability, simplification. And I think we want to approach the problem in that way. And there is enough opportunity out there. But we think with our One Finance app focused on the core financial needs of our customers, we can approach insurance the same way, wherein offer credible, affordable products that are easy for customers to understand and be different from other players in that way.
Kunal, who are the insurance partners that you're tying up with, and what are the targets for the first year or so in terms of what kind of distribution you may have with them?
Sure. I think very early days for us, we have less than half a dozen active insurance providers already on the platform. We have some of the big names such as ICICI Lombard and GoDigit and a few others. And we have now a very active pipeline of partners. I believe within the next 12 months, we will selectively add on partners, wherein partners are able to co-create products that make sense for our customers. In terms of the growth plan, you can expect at least 100 to 150% growth in the vertical in terms of number of customers added, the gross written premium, and the overall value provided to customers. So we are expecting the business to double in the next 12 months, or maybe slightly more than that, but I'll keep it at 100, 150% growth rate right now.
Of course, this is coming on a very small base. When you talk about doubling, what is the additional revenue that this new segment is going to potentially bring in? If you could put numbers to that.
Sure. So I think the mix of products will be pretty diverse, which then would affect the revenue vertical for the revenue contribution. And I can give you a few metrics, right? We have today a few 100,000, like a few lakh customers already buying or have bought insurance from us. We expect this number to go up to at least 1 million customers in the next 18 months or so. That itself means a 5x growth in terms of the number of customers, almost a 500, 600% jump in customers in terms of specific metrics. In terms of revenue, it's a little early to say, but I think the revenue from the insurance vertical itself on a steady state basis would be contributing, let's say, a few $1 million. But again, early days. And if we go after products wherein you offer pocket size insurance, you'll see very high adoption, but the first transaction revenue ticket size might be lower. At the same time, as we add on specialized products around healthcare and others, we'll see average ticket size to be higher over there. They're upwards of 5,000 rupees on a premium value. So there, the revenue potential will be almost 5 to 6 times the revenue potential from the pocket insurance products. But I think right now we're thinking customer first, get customers to understand and adopt faster, and focus more on customer adoption, number of customers being able to buy
Sure.
insurance from us instead of the revenue. I think the revenue will automatically
Sure.
follow.
Well, Kunal, we'll watch out for that. Thank you very much for your time here today. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.